An AI that listens to your meetings and takes notes for you automatically. This is Notta AI, but can it actually replace manual note taking? So Notta uses speech recognition AI to turn conversations into text in real time. It can transcribe meetings, lectures, and interviews, and generate AI summaries and action points, and translate across more than 50 languages. Basically, it acts like a live note-taking assistant. In good conditions, it's surprisingly effective. Accuracy can reach 95 to 98% with clear audio. Transcripts are generated within minutes after recording, and AI summaries can help extract key points without rewatching meetings. For students, creators, and remote workers, it can save a lot of time. But it's not perfect. Accuracy drops with noise, accents, or multiple speakers. Transcripts often need manual editing for punctuation and clarity. Speaker labeling can be inconsistent in group conversations, and some users complain about billing issues and limited free plan. So, can AI actually take notes? Yes, tools like Notta can automate most of the process, but they are not 100% accurate or fully hands off. The bottom line, Notta AI is a legit and useful note-taking tool, but you'll still need to review and clean up the notes for best results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.